Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro official leak renders are out. Now we can get an idea what kind of a design we are going to get from Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 series. And yes, some people don't like the design on the Watch 5 Pro, and we can expect the three models of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 series. Samsung is going to unveil Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 in August along with Galaxy Z Fold 4, Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Buds. There are some rumors that we can expect Samsung will launch these devices on August 10th. If you are up for Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 will come with the less bezels, then this is just a wish for this year. Did you like the design of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro? Evan Bloss, the king of Liquor Shader, post where 91 mobiles shared a high-resolution renders of both Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will only come with two colors, black and titanium, but Watch 5 will have more color options. Designer Galaxy Watch 5 Pro as people don't like. Ace Universe shared his thoughts on Watch 5 Pro saying, "Me and TM Rowe are destined to be rivals. He's the bezel guardian and I'm the bezel destroyer." He also says design is even more important than adding more features. At some extent he is right. Samsung is going to release three models of Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Galaxy Watch 5 40mm, Galaxy Watch 5 44mm and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro 45mm. All of these devices will come with the two versions, Bluetooth versions and LTE versions. And the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will cost the most, standing at €540. Meanwhile, Evan Bloss here, the Galaxy Watch 5 faces, where we get the Rear OS 3.5 and One UI of Watch 4.5 official out of the box. There are a couple of new design changes and features added to One UI 4.5. The battery is what makes the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro stands out. Will come with 572 million power battery, which is a lot more than the previous generation. Whereas base model Galaxy Watch 5 will only come with 272 million power, and bigger version will come with 398 million power. You're going to get the same 10W fast charging just like the last generation Galaxy Watch 4. The RAM and inner storage could be the same, 1.5 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of Android and storage. So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. See you on my next video. Peace out.